Hello everyone, I am Dia and welcome to Clinivance Labs. Today I'll be demonstrating the process to register and complete the course from Elsevier Researcher Academy. First, open Google Chrome and type Clinivance Labs. Click on the official Clinivance Labs website. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a few options. Click on Communities and click on Pharma Jobs and Certificate. Scroll down to find Elsevier Researcher Academy and click on Get your certificate now. This will redirect you to the course page. Click on Start Learning and enter your email ID. Then click on Continue and now fill in the details to register. After registering, you'll be asked to answer a few short questions to complete your profile. Once that's done, click on Start Learning and again get started. Here, you'll find different topics such as research preparation, funding, research design. Each topic includes multiple modules that you can complete at your own pace. Upon completion, you should be able to download your certificate directly from the profile section. And that's how you can earn your Elsevier Researcher Academy certificate. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Clinivance Labs for more such guided learning content and certificate walkthroughs. Thank you.